Hello, I'm Jared Fox, the CEO of Desert Jet. As the only full-service aircraft charter and maintenance company in the Valley, we are very proud of the high-paying jobs and economic development that we bring to the area. With more business and leisure travelers visiting the area through our private jet charter company. Desert Jet is proud of the internships we've offered to local high school students, offering them an opportunity to step up into high-paying professional jobs.
Hi, I'm Jim McCool, proud owner of Desert Jet, here at Jacqueline Cochran Airport at Thermal. You know, first, this building that you see behind me is a testament to the example of growth that we're committed to support jobs and careers here in the East Valley. This couldn't have been done without the support of so many people here in this community. And so first, thank you. Thank you to the community leaders, for without your support, your advice, your counsel, and joining with our vision for growth here in the Valley, this couldn't have happened. You know, I've had a home here in the Valley since 2006, and in those 14 years, I've witnessed firsthand the significant growth and opportunity that is occurring right here in Thermal in the East Valley. And while yes, we are committed to growing Desert Jet, and it will grow, the real benefit is this community. The benefit of creating and enabling careers not just here at the airport, but the surrounding businesses. And that's a win and a victory for everything that's going on, and a testament to the foresight that our leaders have invested capital and time and resources into this side of the Valley. Thank you.
We'd love to see you aboard one of the Desert Jet fleet very soon.